Good day, guys. Welcome to Noble Creative Data Marketing Agency. I hope you guys are doing great. In today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to design a simple Barbing Saloon flyer on pixelLab. Without wasting much of our time, let's go into the business of today. So we're going to be doing a little work here. It's going to be fast and it's going to be long. So what you have to do right now is just click on our shape. Click on the shape, then a shape, then just reduce the size to something like this and leave it white. Good. So you can feel it, you can feel the bit right now. So after you done the next thing you could do right now is you go to your rotate, this rotate, then change the angle to 20. 20. Good. After you've done that, duplicate it, then move it downward a little bit. Then let's actually bring out our grid to make sure it is well okay. So let's go. So that just move it a little bit. No, sorry, a little big down here. I think it's looking like this. So after you're done with this, the next thing I'm going to do right now is to duplicate any of this again. Duplicate it, and then go to your rotate back. Rotate, then you give it the exact. Just give it 90, yeah, 90. Good. So you just give it the angle 90. Oh, what's happening? Good. So after I'm done, just let me touch this one so that in case. Okay, let me use my position key to bring it down. So then you have to place it here. Good. So you have to make sure it is well placed. So you can actually zoom your work. So can you see right now? So I'll be waiting till you're ready. I'll wait as long as it's oh, what's happening now? I'll be waiting till you're ready. Okay. Good. So after that, just duplicate it again. Then you place it. You put this one here. Good. After you're done with that, just zoom it back. So let's check what we are doing. If you're good to go. So it seems we are good to go. So after that, just move this one a little bit because you're going to be cropping it. Good. So you go to your layer, then you merge everything together. Merge everything together. Good. So after you merge them together, the next thing you go to do right now is to bring out another shape. Then you click, change the shape to any color. Can change this color. Change to red. You want to use it to crop out this place. Good. Duplicate it. Then place it here also. Good. So we are good to go. Then you mesh them together again. If you are to use the simplest form, you can actually get this shape, or let me say I can't get it, but I've tried it several times. So after that, just go to your erase color. Then you click on this brush, here. Click on it, then you click on this color so that we are raising this color. Good. So it has given us the color we want now. But there's a major problem. If you have to use the texture won't come out. So what I'm going to do next? So just follow me as we join this thing together. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to just bring out your shape. Click on the plus button, then you bring out the shape. Just the shape, then you just rotate it a little bit. just rotate it a little bit. Just rotate it. Sorry, just rotate it. Don't leave it. Just bring out this one. Bring it down. This one down. Good. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is just change the color of this one, the color of this new shape to gold. So can you see it right now? So just change to red color. So after you're done, just click then you merge them together again. So after you're done merging them together, you go back to your erase color to erase it. So can you see now? Good. So we are going, but this thing is too small, so I'm going to enlarge it a little bit. So let us go back to enlarge it a little bit. So let's change this color, this particular one, this one, let's change it to red back. Color to red. No, this color back to red. Good. Then I want to increase this one a little bit. Good. So after you're done, just merge them back together. Merge them together. So after you merge them together, you go to your erase color, then you do the same thing to it. So let's check what we got. No, I don't want this. So you go back. So you go to erase color again. Just leave it like this. No good. So this is actually what I want. So you can actually change it to white color. Good. So after you're done with that, the next thing I'm going to do right now is to click on layer again. So click on shape again. Then you actually turn this one to any color that you want it to be. Then you actually rotate it. So you're going to be doing a little work here, as I told you before. So just crop out this place. Good. Duplicate it. Crop out this place. Duplicate it again. Rotate it. Then you can actually rotate this one and crop out this place. We only want the middle. Crop out this place again. So because can you see now? So this now is to match everything together again. Match it all together. After you merge it together, finish, you go back to your erase color again. You are actually dealing with erase color this time around. Then you actually click on your brush again. Then you click on this. You don't want this color. So good. So can you see actually this is the color that we want? Good. So what are we going to do right now? The next thing I'm going to do right now is just to bring out your plus button. Just click on test. Do this test. Just hit it now. Good. So after that, you just merge them together again. So after merging them together, can you see now that it becomes small a little bit? So after that, the next thing I'm going to do right now is to go to your crop. Then you crop it. So after you're done with the crop, it's still big. So go to your crop again. Go to your crop. Let me check if it's going to work out. So let's check something going to work out. Go to your why am I clicking on copy? Crop. So let me check it's going to work out. So let's check this. Good. Actually it's going to work out. So crop again. No, it's so let me check it. So go. So this is actually okay. So what I'm going to do right now is to click on it again, go to my texture, and let's check if it's going to work out my texture. So I'm going to make download to bring one of the image out. So let me say this one. So just crop it a little bit, Good. Crop it. Cool. Can you see it? It's fitting. So just crop it again. Then you actually bring one of them. Bring a Messi. So can you see everything is fitting in? So you duplicate it again. You choose another one. So let me say I want to choose this. I want to choose this one. So just crop it. Good. So can you see that everything just fits in it once? So the next now is to just crop this one again. So I think I use 4 for that. So you actually go and click on that one to choose it now. So let me say I want to use who I want to use again. So let me say I want to use Nema again. I want to use no, I don't want to use this. I don't want to use this. So let's say I want to use this now. So let's go. To just crop it. So you can see that everything just fitting at once. Everything fitting at once. There's nothing less scary. So now this is where another work is right now. So just place it at the middle here. So just rotate it a little bit. Rotate it a little bit like this. Good. So you can see it. We are going. So after that, just play this one. No. I think I place it like something like this. You got nothing to hide. Yeah, your future's so bright. So just smile like there's no one watching. Early morning on a Saturday. Wake up, time to get it started. No one's gonna get in your way. No one's gonna leave you broken hearted. You don't need nobody else. Everyone knows you're doing well. So I'm looking for a way to place it to well like this. So after you've done that, just play this one, just do like this, and then you place this one here. Just make sure they are well placed together. So make sure they are well aligned. Good. Still in more a little bit time. So good. So we are getting it. So just so this one too. Just place it here. So let me check. It's now well down. So good. So you've gotten this place now. So the next thing go to do right now just to mesh them together, mesh everything together, mesh them together. Good. So now you can actually decorate it, or if you want to rotate it like this, then you can actually do anything you want to do to it. So let's go. So the next thing now is our background. Change the background color to black color. Good. Go to black color and change the background to black color. Good. So you change the background color to black color. Then you choose on this one that you mesh together. You go to your stroke. Go to your stroke, then you give it this color. So this is the color code F57F17. F57F17. So that is the color code for it. So after that, just reduce it a little bit. After you reduce it a little bit, then you bring out the shape. So you create the radius of the shape like this. Good. 41 is okay, or yeah, 41 is okay. You use 40 is okay for it. So after that, just place it here. You can actually lock this. Good. So after you just place it here, good. Or you create a little bit. So after you're done with that, you change the color to this color we are using. This color actually that we are using. So after that, just click on your plus button, bring out the shape, increase this one, reduce it, then you place it here. I'm sure I'm going to do this a little bit. I'm sure, yeah. I'm sure of that. So you go to your texture, then you put one of them here. So let me say I want to use Nema for here. I want to use my star. So good. So I'm using Nema for here. Then you go to your texture, sorry, your stroke, then you give it a little one stroke or two is okay for it. So after that, you go back to your shape again. You create the radius to 41. I think we use 41. Good. So you actually reduce it. You reduce it and you place it here. So after you reduce it, then you go to your texture. Then I give it another image of your choice. So let me say I want to use this one. I want to use this one right now. So good. So just crop it a little bit. Then you place it here. So you can see it's very fitting. So after that, you click it again. Then you can use your relative position to do it to stretch it time or to save it time. Then this is not big enough, so let me make it a little big. So let me delete this one back. So I'm going to duplicate it, then drag it here. It's not even big. Okay, let's leave it like that. It's not big enough. No. So let's let delete this back. So let's use this one. So I think this one is okay for it. Good. So good. So now I'm going to give this one another texture. So let me move it up to balance it. So good. So you go to your texture, then give it another texture. So let me give it another. So let me give it this one. Just crop it a little bit up here. So let me check. So after it didn't fit in very well, just give it a scale. Go. So can you see? So after that, just duplicate it, then you place it here. You place it here. I'm going to decrease this one a little bit. Increase it a little bit. We are still going to decrease everything because I don't want all this thing to be like this. So after that, you just duplicate it, then you give it what I want to give to it. Just give it this one. You've not used this one before, so good. So you can actually scale it. Good. So after that, you duplicate this one again, then you actually place it in. Make sure they are aligned together. Make sure they are aligned because you're actually working with alignment too. So we're going to deal with the alignment later. So you just give it stroke, then you give it another man hairstyle. So which hairstyle do you want to use now? So let's use back way. Good. This Naga will go for it. Good. So you can see it now. So let's deal with the alignment first. Now just click on this like this. Space. Okay, it is well aligned. Let's deal with this. This one is not well aligned. So you're going to clean this one, move it to the back a little bit. Good. So can you see we are good to go? So the next thing now is to just mesh them together. Mesh them together. So in case you want to reduce it a little bit, because I'm sure I'm going to reduce it a little bit. Good. So just reduce it a little bit like this. Good. So after that, the next I'm going to write the name of the salon. So I'm going to write Muyiwa. Okay, so this Muyiwa. Okay, so just let us write only Muyiwa for it. Then you go to your font and give it another font. So I'm going to look for the font I gave it. So let me check if the font is there, and if not, you're going to find. Okay, so this is it. I use Advertiser Gothic Regular. Is it what I use? I'm not sure. No. This is not what I use. Oh, I've forgotten the name of the font I use. So let me search for it here. I think I have it here. So let us search for the name of the font I use. Something alpha something. Okay, so let's use this Benguiab. Benguiab is looking for it. Benguiab fitting for it. So let's use it. I want to move this a little bit here. So just change this Benguiab. Just change the color to the color we are using, to this color. Good. So can you see it? Okay, let me move this a little bit now. Then you click on another one, click on test, then you bring out Barbing Saloon. So you just change this one to capital letter, then you leave it like this. Then click on OK. Then you actually reduce it. For example, then you reduce it. Then you place it here. Place it under this place. So after that, the next thing I'm going to do right now is to go to your position. No, go to your font and give it another font. And give it popping or Montessera. So let me give it Montessera semi-bold. Good. So Montessera semi-bold is okay for you. So let's deal with this. Good. So yeah, doing. So another thing I'm going to write now is expert in. Just go to this Barbing Saloon, click on it, then you write expert in. Expert in. Then give it the apostrophe. Barbing, male barbing, men barbing, men haircut, groom haircut, ladies haircut, dreadlock, relocking, sporting waves, Jericho. Yeah, I think I stopped in Jericho and etc. Good. My keyboard is still active. So after that, just reduce it a little bit. Reduce it. Reduce it. Reduce it. Then let's check if, because we're dealing with this, so it's still okay like this. So place it is okay like this. So you're going to move. That means you're going to move this one a little bit come forward here. Yeah, open the testing. Good. So that it to be balanced. Because we are dealing with balancing. No. So let me use my precision key to do it. If good. So we are done with that. So the next thing now is to just click on your plus button, click on your shape, then you reduce this opacity of the shape, reduce it. So just come to your expert, just start from here, then you actually expert in, give it, you increase the color back, I mean the opacity, then you give it this color. Good. So let's check if what we do is actually correct. So you actually move it back to here. So good. So it's now well correct. So that means you're going to use, just lock this one first, lock this one. So that means we are going to deal with this one right now. So let's go and deal with this right now. So let's check. So it's not still okay. Good. I think we are getting it right now. We're getting it. Yeah, good. So let's continue. Yeah, go. So expert in main cut, blah blah blah. So you are done with that. So after that, the next thing I'm going to do right now is just to bring out your shape, increase the radius, just do it like this, increase it, then you place it here. Sorry if I'm going to reduce this one a little bit. Good. So next, yeah, give it like this. So then I'm thinking we are going to reduce this one a little bit, then place it up. Yeah, this one too. Going to go up a little bit. Going to go up a little bit. Position. Good. So this expert is going to go up to this shape, because there's still something to write under there. Good. So I think we are getting it. So the next thing we're going to write now is to write the address. You just click on this Barbing Saloon to write the address. Then just write Mountain of Fire Road, MFN. So Port Harcourt. So let me put Port Harcourt. So change the capital letter. Or change the small letter. Only this M should be capital letter. Good. So after you're done, just place it here. Reduce it. Then you place it here. Actually, limit this one to go up a little bit. This one should go down a little bit. Then this one should go up like this. Good. Then change the color to this color. You know, that is another text entirely. So what are we going to bring right now? So to click on your plus button and you go to your from gallery. So let me search for the home icon. Home icon. So I'm going to use any one of these. Or let me search for location icon. So I'm going to use this. So I'm going to give it another color, which is this. So I have to reduce it a little bit. Then you can actually move this one up here. Then you position this one to down side. Good. So after the next thing I want to bring out is our what they call it from gallery, and that should be our WhatsApp. So I'm going to choose this one. So I'm going to choose this one, give it this color, change the color to this color. So don't use it very well. Then I'm going to place it where it should be. Good. So you just duplicate this one, then you delete this one, then you write your number +23470380770. Good. So you just click OK. The number here, then you write the number there. Then you can actually, it's not balanced, so you can actually position this one to here, then you give it something like this. Then you actually increase this one a little bit. Good. So we want to make sure everything is balanced as well. Okay. Good. So this one we are done. We are done with that. So let's position this one up a little bit. Good. So the next thing I'm going to do right now, just to copy this one, duplicate it, then you write with sub they just place it here where it should be visible. So you place at the middle, go to this position, good, place at the middle, then you write, change the color to black color. Good. So you can see right now, so you change the color, so you start the bear. So the next thing I'm going to do right now, so click on your text color, on text, then you write, you just give this thing, just this. Good. So after that, just click OK. And after you click your OK, just give it this color again. Let me lock this place so that I'm going to do what I'm going to do. So the next thing is just to increase it a little bit, then you place it under here. Good. Then you move it to the back. Just click on it and click your to back here. It will actually go to the back. So now where I complaining. So I'm going to increase the size a little bit. Good. So the next one is just to give it some shakara style. Actually reduce this one, reduce it. Use it and give it this color. Then you can actually position it to somewhere else that will be fitting. Actually position it here. So just reduce it a little bit. Still reduce it. Good. So now they just click on plus button again. You click on shape. You can give it star. Yeah, I love star. So just reduce it to, and you give it this color. Then you can actually position it on that place. Use it a little bit. Good. So yeah, so you can actually give it your own style that will fit in. So so this is the end of the tutorial. If you are not yet, please kindly subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell icon, and don't forget to share the video and to comment so as to get more updates from this channel. Thank you. So just save it as project and save it as image, save it as PNG and as very high. Then click on save it. Actually save to your gallery. I don't want to save it, that is why I didn't save it. Thank you for watching up tonight. Thank you.